Today we will be talking about rates of weathering, presented by
Rafael,
Jay,
Antonio.
Juan Pablo.
Weathering
is the breakdown of rock into smaller pieces.
weathering depends on temperature, moisture, and climate.
rocks that make up ledges weather slower than surrounding rock. Rocks weather depends on climate, elevation, and chemical makeup of rock. The factors that affect the temperature in an area are the latitude and height above sea level, distance from the sea, ocean currents, and prevailing winds. These things determine climate of a location.
Areas that have hot, dry climate and places that are wet and warm create weather. Hot temperature makes rocks weather faster than similar surrounding residing rock in cold, dry regions.
Pollution also speeds up rates of weathering that comes from factories and cars that release carbon dioxide and other gases.
When a rock is exposed to conditions that it is not familiar to, it can break down and crumble. The weathering of rock happens over an extended period of time. The huge landscape of Shinlin was formed about 270 million years ago. New Mexico's vast badlands have been carved by millions of years of mechanical weathering.
Earth's atmosphere also plays a part in this process, helping to retain heat that would otherwise quickly radiate into space after sunset. Greenhouse gases cause temperature to rise. Weathering can only occur when the amount of heat in the Earth's atmosphere changes by either added or released. Scientists can use temperature to see how much water the air can hold.
In 1979-1994, the rates of weathering was founded and studied. Lindsay, Nolan, Sparkless, Sawu study it until this day. Places that support the people that study rates of weathering is U.S. geology.
Rainfall and temperature can affect the time in which rocks weather. By the greater rainfall and temperature increase the rates of weathering. In summary, rate of weathering produces climate, moisture, and temperature changes. This is what carves nature.